React Native is a popular JavaScript framework created by Facebook that allows developers to build mobile applications for iOS and Android using a single codebase. Unlike traditional mobile development approaches that require learning platform-specific languages like Swift or Kotlin, React Native leverages your existing JavaScript and React knowledge. Traditional mobile development requires separate codebases for iOS and Android, but React Native allows you to build for both platforms with one codebase. The framework works by rendering native components rather than web views, resulting in applications that look, feel, and perform like native apps. React Native follows the learn once, write anywhere philosophy, enabling developers to share up to 90% of code between platforms while maintaining native performance and user experience. By leveraging JavaScript and React, developers can create truly native applications with faster development cycles, shared codebases, and excellent performance. When setting up a React Native project, you have two main options to consider. Expo CLI offers a simplified setup process with many built-in features. React Native CLI provides more control and direct access to native functionality. Let's look at how to install and set up a React Native project. For Expo CLI, first install it globally using npm install-g expo CLI. Then create a new project with expo init, followed by your app name. For React Native CLI, you can use npx React Native init followed by your app name. React Native includes several core components that you'll use frequently in your apps. The view component is a container similar to a div in web development. The text component is used to display text content in your app. The image component displays images from various sources. Scroll view provides a scrollable container for content that exceeds the screen size. React Native uses a styling system similar to CSS, but with JavaScript objects. Web CSS uses property value pairs with hyphenated names. React Native styles use JavaScript objects with camel case properties. There are a few key differences to be aware of when styling in React Native. React Native uses the same state management approach as React, primarily using hooks. The useState hook lets you add state to functional components, while useEffect handles side effects like data fetching or subscriptions. Once your project is set up, you can run your app on various devices. With Expo, run Expo Start to launch the development server, then choose your target device. You can run on iOS Simulator, Android Emulator, or scan a QR code with the Expo Go app on a physical device.